I was just concerned about getting spousal support from my wife. We've been together 6 years, or married 6 years, together for 11. And I was just concerned about getting spousal support because she's left me behind on so many bills. For just her part of the bills. I paid her rent and everything. I was just worried about, her giving me back a little bit of what I paid, for her part.
Okay, well, obviously I can't give out legal advice, but I can give you a general synopsis of what the court is going to look for when you talk about what we call spousal support or alimony. So some of the things that the court take in consideration is the age of the parties, the length of the marriage, the health of the parties, obviously their ability to pay their income, and most importantly, the ability to maintain the status quo. But you mentioned that there were some debts, and so debts are a little different than just alimony because the court could resolve and order someone to pay all of the debt or half of a debt without necessarily getting to the issue of alimony. So those are some of the things that the court would take in consideration in your issue.
But at any time, you can go to the court to make sure all of these things are handled, so it's not you're not chasing your spouse or whoever to make sure you're getting the money. The court should be responsible, right? Or can be responsible
for yes.
For deciding how much she's supposed to give him and that sort of thing.
Exactly, that's what we do in court. So you have a position, she has a position, you present your side of the story, she present her side, and we decide what we have to do within the confinements of the law based upon the evidence presented by the parties.